Hi guys, today we are going to install the Helios hair system. My new favorite hair because it's new. No, we're joking. It's just because it's something different for the last one I used, a skin-based system. This new hair is a full lace, meaning many more benefits, I don't know. This is the Helios hair, and look how silky and soft this hair looks. And the lace is very transparent, bringing more realistic and a natural look. So let's go. I start by placing the system on a fixed base to have more stability, and I use tape and also liquid glue too, to give a more realistic touch to the front line. Then I start installing it from front to the back. Yes, from front to the back, and press to make sure it's well glued. Now just a little retouch in the front line and leave it with a scarf for a few minutes. Talking a little bit about the hair, this hair has a base made entirely of transparent lace, meticulously hand-sewn for better shape and longevity. The softness of the lace ensures a perfectly natural front line. Yeah, take a look. Designed for comfort, Zeo Helios boosts a breathable base suitable for use even in hot climates or during physical activity. And you know guys, that here in Brazil is very hot. And besides that, I'm an athlete. I don't know how to say. I play beach volleyball for hours and hours sometimes. In addition, the base undergoes treatment with a Zeomic Antimicrobial technology. I love that fact, effectively preventing bacterial growth for a healthier and more pleasant user experience. If before, with the skin-based system, I already felt happy and comfortable without itching and strong odors, now with a lace system, I believe that my life will be more practical and happy than before. So that's all guys, I come back here to tell you the benefits and results of Helios hair. Yes? So, kisses, see you soon.